Noel Radford has led the birthday tributes to his wife Sue Radford, who is the proud mum to his 22 children. The mum of Britain's biggest family was treated to a gushing tribute by her husband as the family celebrated her 48th birthday on Wednesday. The famous clan celebrated Sue's milestone birthday at their family home in Morecambe, Lancashire, where the mum of 22 was treated to a thoughtful cake and a home-cooked dinner by her devoted husband and kids. Leading the tributes to the proud mum, Sue's husband Noel, 52, posted a sweet throwback snap of his wife at the beach to Instagram as he lovingly penned, "A big happy birthday to this beauty. We all love you so much. Won't say how old but still younger than me." Elsewhere, the couple's daughter Katie, 19, gushed over how young her mum still looks as she marks another year older. "Happy birthday to my favorite lady ever. I love and appreciate you so much. Another year only and I would say you don't look a day over 20, Katie shared. After being showered with love by her family, Sue took to her own Instagram account to share her gratitude for having so much love, luck, and happiness in her life as she nears 50. "Huge thank you for all my birthday wishes. I've had the best day and been thoroughly spoiled. Feeling very loved," Sue penned. Sue's birthday celebrations came just a few days after the mum of 22 was involved in a dramatic car crash which has left her family motor mangled. The mum of Britain's biggest family confirmed that no one was injured in the road accident. The Channel 4 star took to Instagram on Monday to tell her 507,00 and fans that her vehicle ended up in the horrific collision. Sharing a snap of the street with a police van and a fire engine in the background, Sue confirmed that everyone was safe and said she was so grateful no children were in the car. "Everyone was okay. Not how I expected my day to go but thankfully everyone was okay," Sue penned. "The car isn't but it's only metal and can be sorted," the mum of 22 wrote in the story posted on the family's social media account. "So thankful I didn't have the kids in the car though. Also thank you to all who stopped to ask if I was okay.